So over here you can see that I have a project that is a storyboard project right here. And if I were to go around into panel, then you can see that dialogue, accent, note slugging, and note section are here where I can type in, and these texts are in a certain format. And if you want to go around and then change around the format of these texts right here, then you can go around onto caption. Then what you can do is you can go to format captions right here. So here what you can do is you can select out different fonts as per how you like right here, just like this. So you can go around and select this, and you can see that that is what you have right here. So all of the sections over here will be changed out. Similarly, you can go around and change the font size over here as well, and work around with different, let's say, formatting options like bolding, italicizing, underlining right here. And you can work around with its alignment over here as well, and even the text color on how you like it, just like this, and everything will be applied. You can go around over here, select out, let's say, for example, a background color right here, just like this. And you can also remove out the formatting by clicking on this button as well. You can press the plus button to increase the font size right here, just like this, and you can apply it to all panels or selected panels as well. And you can also go around and apply it to certain panels right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around, select this out right here, and only those sections formatting gets changed, that you can see just like that. And that is how you can go around and then format out captions. And what you can also do is you can go to captions right here, and then you can go around and select default caption format by going to caption default format. So here you have minimalistic option, but here you can go around and select out font and then font size right here, and the default will be applied. So if I were to go around and create out new right here, you can see that that format will be applied right there, just like that. So you can go around over here and you can see that the format is there. So that is how you can work around with caption formatting, and then even choose the default caption formatting inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.